to go to the A string, you got to raise your elbow a tiny bit so your bow is on the A string. Play the A string, pepperoni pizza. Stop. Good. Here we go. It's 8. All right. Uh-oh. Nope. Oh, we have to start from silence. Take your bow off the string. And the string. Rock over to the A string and freeze. I play it twice before you play. Shh. No. Sit. Sit, please.